Guys, we are going to start our first grammar lesson. This is chapter 7, lesson 3. It's on page 149. So go ahead and get out your Shurley grammar workbook and turn to 149. Okay, the past two lessons we've learned about helping verbs. Those were the ones that I sent you a couple packets ago. And we learned that helping verbs were when two or more verbs make up a simple predicate of a sentence, the verbs in front of the main verb are known as helping verbs. And there are actually 23 of them. Let me read you some of them. Am, is, are, was, and were, be, being, been. Those are the ones I know from elementary school. Then there's also has, have, had, do, does, did, might, must, may, can, could, would, should, shall, will. And there is a Shurley jingle if you would like to look up jingle number 17. There's a jingle that goes right along with this perfectly. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on page 149, and we're going to look right in the middle at the practice sentences, and I want to do those with you. So have a pencil with you, please. Here we go, sentence 1. Will your parents arrive at the game in time for the kickoff? Who will arrive at the game in time for the kickoff? Parents. Parents is the subject noun, so you need to label that with an S-N. What is being said about parents? Parents will arrive. So will arrive is the verb. Will is the HV, helping verb. At is a what? Preposition. At what? Game. Game is the object of a preposition, so put an OP above it. In is a P, preposition. In what? Time. Object of the preposition again. For, preposition. For what? Kickoff. Object of the preposition. The is an article adjective. Whose parents? Your parents. That is a PPA. Remember that? It's S and VP1. Again, skill check. We need parentheses around at the game. That's a prepositional phrase. Parentheses around in time, and parentheses around for the kickoff. All three of those are prepositional phrases. If you go back to the verb, we can divide the sentence between subject and predicate. We divide right in between what two words? Parent and arrive, you're right. And I want you guys to tell me, we learned this, you took this home with you in the last packet, or 2 packets ago, excuse me. Is this sentence in a natural or an inverted order? It's inverted. How do you know that? How do you know that? It's not in our traditional sense, is it? It's not just subject and then predicate at the end. There's a verb at the beginning. The helping verb will. Kind of changes things up a little. All right, let's do sentence 2. Have you and your friend eaten at this restaurant before? Number 1, who has eaten at this restaurant before? You and friend. You and friend. The word and is a what? C, conjunction, and then you, friend, are both CSPs. Why are they not CSNs? Well, they're compound subject pronouns. They're not just nouns. What is being said about you and friend? You have eaten. That's the verb, eaten. Have is the helping verb. At is a preposition. At what? Restaurant, object of the preposition. Which restaurant? This. What kind of word is this? Adjective, that's right. Have eaten what? Before is an adverb. Whose friend? Yours. PPA. And is a conjunction, right? It's S and VP1 again. At this restaurant needs parentheses because it is a prepositional phrase, right? There is a question mark. So it is a question, which means it's an interrogative sentence. It needs to have INT at the end. And actually, the first sentence did too. Now that I'm looking back at that, and we didn't write it. You need to put INT at the end of sentence 1 and 2. If you go back to the original sentence, you can divide between what 2 words? Friend and eaten. That's right. Is this sentence in a natural order or an inverted order? It's inverted because there is a verb in the subject at the very beginning. It's a little backwards. All right, sentence 3, here we go. Yikes! A really big dog is running down the street towards my house. What is running down the street toward my house? Dog. Dog is a subject noun. What is being said about dogs? Dog is running. Running is a verb. Is the helping verb. Good. Down is a preposition. Down what? Street. Street is the object of the preposition, OP. The is an article adjective, needs an A. Toward is a preposition, P. Toward what? House, object of the preposition. Whose house? My, P-P-A, remember? What kind of dog? Big is an adjective, good. How big? Really big, so really is an adverb. A is an article adjective, mark it with an A. Yikes, what is that? Remember our interjection? Yeah, interjection. SNVP 1, parentheses around down the street and toward my house because they are both prepositional phrases. This sentence has an exclamation point at the end, so it is exclamatory. We need to put an E at the end. Good job. Is this sentence in our natural order or inverted? It is in the natural order. It is just a normal old sentence. There is no verb in the subject. Where would we split this sentence with our slash mark? That's right, between dog and is. Good job. Okay, I want for you to now go ahead and try page 150. I am going to post a picture of the answers for page 150. We just went over all the answers on page 149. You guys did a great job. Keep watching and the answers will show. Bye, guys.